Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use QR code checking in your Nintendo account. The first thing you do is log in, and then you want to see a QR code that you can use for checking. From the home page here, click on the last option. By the left we have user information security settings, so then click on the last option, and here it is. Now, when you present this QR code, select events and location to help you gain access to exclusive benefits such as my Nintendo points and participation in prize draws. Now, note that the benefits will vary each time, and further details will be provided before you can check in. So you can see this is my QR code. It is valid until the 1st of July 2025. 3:53 AM. That's when it's going to expire. So, the student can identify your Nintendo account and precise location through this QR code by checking in as you can. As you are checking in, you can participate in specific promotions, and you may receive emails related to these promotions you checked in for. You can opt out from receiving the promotional emails at any time before your Nintendo account from your Nintendo account settings. So QR code, as you can see, this is it. It's as simple as that. So once you present this to at the selected events or location, you'll be given exclusive access to your Nintendo point and participation in prize draw. Hope you find it really helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.